how to make legit money online from home by reselling proxies. Table of contents: how many online and earn from home, how to make passive income from home, how to earn passive income from home through reselling, how to really make money online from home with proxies, getting started earning money online by reselling proxies, the best proxies for reselling. While working from home has been the norm in some industries, the pandemic accelerated and expanded the trend. Now that many employers and transitions back to working on site, people who enjoy the flexibility and freedom of working from home are looking for other options. Appor- Unfortunately, anywhere there are people seeking opportunities, there are malicious actors trying to take advantage of them. On most sites that claim to offer home based income opportunities, there are more scams than actual work from home jobs. This article will cover how to make legit money online from home, including what you should look for, what do you avoid, and what your options are for earning an income online. The internet is a double-edged sword when it comes to earning money online. It's given it's given almost everyone the ability to do business from home, but it's created tremendous competition in almost every niche as well. When exploring your options for making money online, consider what model best suits your skills, available resources, and ultimate goals. Some of the possible avenues for earning money online included working as an employee. This can be one of the simplest options. If you already have the skills and experience of particular jobs in or industry transaction employee.